In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments and discussions in Monday.com. Navigating through these features effectively can help streamline your communication and keep everyone on the same page. Monday.com is an incredibly versatile platform that enables project management with ease. And understanding how to add comments and engage in discussions can significantly enhance your collaboration efforts. To get started, let's first look at how you can add comments to individual items within your boards. When you're viewing an item in your list, you'll notice a chat bubble icon next to it. This icon includes a small plus symbol, indicating that you can begin creating comments specifically for that item. Clicking on this icon will open up the comments section where you can initiate discussions directly linked to the item in question. This feature allows you to add context, insights, or ask questions that are pertinent to that specific task or item, ensuring that your team members know exactly what you're referring to. This can be particularly useful for clarifying details or collaborating on specific projects directly linked to that item, without the clutter of unrelated discussions. Now, there might be instances where you want to communicate on a broader scale, involving discussions that pertain to the entire board rather than a single item. In this case, you can add comments and hold discussions for the whole board by interacting with another chat bubble icon, which you'll find at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this, and it opens up a space dedicated to board-wide discussions. This is exceptionally helpful for broader updates, general project announcements, or overarching queries that apply to everyone involved in the project. It provides an excellent platform for gathering team input on a higher level, allowing you to address the team collectively and ensure everyone's aligned with the project's objectives. Utilizing these features in Monday.com not only improves communication, but also reduces the potential for misunderstandings. These comment and discussion functionalities are designed to facilitate a seamless interaction flow, enabling team members to keep track of conversations in an organized manner. This is especially beneficial in collaborative projects, where clear communication is key to success. Once you understand how to effectively use these chat features, you'll find that they become an integral part of your workflow, enhancing transparency and accountability amongst your team. So go ahead and explore these commenting and discussion functionalities to make the most out of your Monday.com boards. That's all for today. See you in the next video.